Man, nowadays, you know, I'm hating the sniper guys in this multiplayer, man. Quick scoping. Assholes, man.
I don't know. Nowadays, I don't want to play the multiplayer, man. I don't know that because of that shitty map.
Oh, that. Why do you even play that map, man? Play other games. Yeah, shipment was fun, right?
Yeah, man. I don't know why they even bring that shit. Or have that.
Ashik, take this trophy, bro.
Anyone use this?
I'm using shotgun and RPG. How is that?
You want a gun? Let me mark one for you.
Dragon Birth. Hey, there is an RPG here.
It's a good gun, bro.
SMG over here. ये कौन बंदा है ट्रॉफी लगा के गाड़ी चलाता है?
तू है?
इसे जानते हो?
हाँ, जासिम.
Jasim Janwar.
J for Jasim.
बंदा
J
कोई
for
मारता
Janwar.
नहीं है, बस आ जाता है.
J for Jasim, J for Janwar. Coincidence? I don't think so. Even there are.
T for Tanwar, T for Tattu.
सही है. लेकिन क्या बोलते हैं? Then there's one more thing. Hello, same amount of letters.
बोलना.
बोला तो सही है, same amount of letters.
Okay, tell no. Why so
Yeah.
shy? Why are you so shy?
Why are you so? I said already. Janwar and Jasim are same amount of letters, man.
Ashik, you are slow man.
Oh, that
Ashik
is.
का साबुन slow है.
No. You said you said another one is. We were expecting that.
I
No, he said.
there is another point.
Leave it, bro.
क्या
Not today,
यार,
not today.
रहने दे. सर के ऊपर से गुजर गया इसके.
It's okay, Ashik. Maybe some other time.
We
Okay,
are
we are-
out of
okay.
cash, but
We'll
wait
bring
for
the load, we'll
great
bring the
drop.
load.
Don't say no.
Man.
Bring the drop. We'll bring the drop.
Jasim, you want the drop or
Wasting
what?
cash for no reason. We buy the self revive, man.
Jasim, you want the drop or no? There is a shop in
We'll
front
take
of us.
self-revive.
You
I
see
don't
it?
think
Take
so.
the
I
free one,
need
bro. What's the
gain.
use? I don't see any use, bro. Then it will help. The cash will help for revival and stuff. We'll buy the plates in case we get into a fight.
Ashik,
with
you
someone.
say that when you revive Atan. Now it's been a while. Tanwarjit is reviving us.
Okay, fine. I'll buy self revive.
Okay, I
We'll
have.
push
इतना
these guys,
पैसा.
huh? We need to push these guys, yeah.
And should I buy UAV?
Okay, they're doing the recon. Yeah, buy a UAV.
No, no,
yeah.
no.
Perfect.
Okay, buy and pop.
Okay, buy a cluster. I'll buy a UAV. No worries. Whatever you guys.
I bought UAV. I bought UAV. I will not buy any cluster.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'll take
I'm in
myself.
precision.
I'll take. Okay, can someone give me a bit more cash?
If I die also, I will not buy precision airstrike.
Ashik, you have so less, bro.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Someone has looted this the gas station. Jasim,
ये
back
भी
दे
पॉप
थोड़ा.
किया.
Should I pop?
नहीं ये भी नहीं pop किया.
Not
No,
now.
no, no.
When the
Wait
load
for
when the
drop,
load
then we
comes
pop.
when the load comes, I pop it.
कौन बंदा ऐसा गाड़ी चला रहा है? कौन है ये?
आजा साले दे. Cash दे दो.
Let me go and call the enemies and come back. I'll drive.
I see some sniper somewhere here.
पता चला enemies के पास जाके ट्रॉफी चलना बंद हो गया.
अबे यार तू क्या भागे जा रहा है? अभी आएगा लोड, इधर ही वेट कर. आशिक come to this house, bro.
Moving up. इधर है. Pushing to
इधर
the sniper
जाएगा.
guy.
तेरा पता नहीं है.
I saw someone. I don't know. Maybe it's a reflex or
ए
something.
झूठा है, इसको ना मान यार, इसको तुम मान रहे हैं. झूठा बंदा है.
I'm honing driving skills between the trees, drifting.
अच्छा that is also a mission. Drive a vehicle.
ट्रॉफी है यार, मसला नहीं है.
Man, trophy will not save you from sniper.
Don't worry, man.
Also,
You people are there to revive it. It's okay. Especially when Tanvir is there, I don't need to breathe. Let me go and see to the bunker if someone came.
यहाँ बंकर में जाके देख जा, सही है नुबड़े.
Yeah, man. Do that.
हेली ले आ जासम, हेली ले आ जोन में.
Do something useful.
हेली नहीं यार, हेली पे ट्रॉफी नहीं है.
आशिक हैज अ ट्रॉफी.
I don't have trophy. Who told that?
ओके चल जासिम ये घर पे जाके लेके आ ट्रॉफी. ये घर पे ट्रॉफी है, 2 ट्रॉफी.
आज यूजलेस मैन. टाइम तो कुछ नहीं मिलता.
तो बोला था उठाने के लिए, तुझसे तब उठाया.
Man, I'm having another thing.
नुबड़ा.
Hey, don't pain me. Don't pain me. Don't
I
pain
left-
me. You know why?
Not painting you.
If you paint, no,
I'm
people,
doing this. See.
yeah, people
Enemy
can spot
spot
it
easily.
easily.
जासिम जा ट्रॉफी लेके आ नूबड़े ब्लू पे।
Then
मैं ब्लू पे यार ब्लू पे ट्रॉफी था। चल छोड़ अभी। जा जहाँ लेके आ वो घर में। नीचे पड़ा है।
ये कौन बनता है हेली चला?
अभी बोलेगा बंदे हो गए। ब्लू घर के नीचे है। ओके द परफेक्ट मोस्ट परफेक्ट स्पॉट फॉर द लोड आउट।
नहीं है वो घर पे नहीं है, ब्लू घर पे।
पूरा घर ऊपर नीचे देखा तूने?
ऊपर नहीं देखा, तू बोला नीचे है।
है उधर ही है। नहीं तो ये तेरे घर पे है। तेरा जो घर है
चुप
ना
बैठ यार, मैं हल्ली वल्ली मार दिया।
जिसमें तू घुसता है उधर है यार भाई, सच में बोल रहा हूँ, झूठ नहीं बोलता।
तू और झूठ नहीं बोलता।
यार ले ले यार ट्रॉफी।
कितने बार माँ को बीमार कर दिया मालूम नहीं, गेम लेके।
नहीं साले ले, सच में गया था बे कल बाहर इसीलिए।
कल तुझे आशिक ने इतना गेम हरवाया आंटी का, तूने बीपी हाई कर दिया।
यार तू वैसे सही है यार, बंदा तू खराब है, तुझे कुछ बताना नहीं चाहिए। तू वो क्या बोलते यूज करता है बंदे के खिलाफ, तू ऐसा बंदा है। खिलाफ हिसाब लगाया मैंने।
तेरे ये था MP7 किल गया वो।
चलो आज जोन में चलते हैं यार। MP7 आशिक ट्रॉफी है यार आशिक। ये
I know.
अपने घर में देख ट्रॉफी
I don't find. This house.
I checked bro, I didn't find too.
Where man? Where? I don't find it.
Guys, I said the zone is coming.
Yeah, let's go.
पानी बोतल दस सुबह शाम रे कल फाइन बोतल बहन।
मार्क द स्पॉट गाइस।
Downtown.
No,
Guys, I say we go here, we kill people who come out.
Drop the heli, yeah. We are
Heli
not
there,
recon
heli.
है bro, there are 4 recon there.
Don't drop the heli. Drop the heli here and we camp back. Heli इधर drop कर, फिर उधर जा।
यार को मारेगा हेली दबा। जोन में चलते हैं यार इसको एरिया में।
ये जोन नहीं है। अच्छा इधर जा। या फिर सुपर स्टोर जा। या फिर हॉस्पिटल जा।
हाँ ये सही है। वैसे ये बिल्डिंग भी सही है लेकिन हॉस्पिटल सही है। हेली किधर लगाऊं?
Put it down. Put it
I'll
here.
put it on the default spot.
Put C4 bro. Put C4 bro.
Yeah, Ashik, put C4.
Go
I'll put it
Ashik.
on the default spot.
There's someone in the shop. There's someone in the shop.
You serious right now?
Someone
बड़ा
airstrike
बिल्डिंग से क्यों
bro.
उतर आया?
Someone in the shop bro. I'll go to kill him bro.
There is 3 team. There is 3 guys. Okay, they're running towards.
Now they'll go on the higher ground and they'll kill us.
भाई किधर मार्क करो?
This direction.
Okay, get the heli and go up.
Yeah,
I
get
think
the heli and go up. Yeah,
They will come up.
that's correct, yeah.
Come up. Or no. No. I will do one thing. I'll put C4. We wait up above this one. Come. If they push, no. Come here.
Man,
I have put the C4.
That is okay, but they will spot us from this one, man. Very easily.
Okay, there are people behind also. There are open towers. We get headshot from behind.
Okay,
यार
okay.
वही बोल रहा हूँ मैं, ये
Okay,
सही
then
नहीं
we
है,
go to this
वो
house.
हॉस्पिटल के ऊपर जाना है.
Go in here.
Going this way. Enemy UAV overhead.
Let Jasim go, we'll see.
एक केबल इन यूज, मतलब कोई और यहाँ है.
Enemy
हाँ.
UAV overhead.
There are 3 guys up. Yeah,
केबल
I
इन यूज.
told you
Don't go,
guys to
don't go,
up.
don't go. Go to the stairs. Go to the stairs. Go to the stairs.
No, there are no stairs going up. There's a
There is.
ladder going up. If you
There
guys.
is.
No, there is. I'm in the
There's a
stairs.
ladder going up.
I'm in the stairs, man.
Those stairs don't go up.
Here, man. This one.
You're too late. The place is bone dry.
Those stairs don't go up. You can try.
हाँ. Don't up. ये क्या है?
From here we can go to another.
Yeah,
Marking new safe zone.
they probably jumped, I think. I don't see them on the heartbeat link.
The way they're popping UAV, I don't think so.
But I don't see anyone in the heartbeat. Ashik, do you see anyone?
भाई जब मैं आया था तब बोला था रिप्लाई नहीं न्यूज. Bro, I already broke a glass one. Come on.
I don't see anyone, man. Screw it, man. I'm going up. Let's see.
Okay, go.
I'll drop the money. I'll drop the
go.
money. I'll drop the money.
go.
Okay, come from the stairs. Here, first you need to go down, then only you can.
Who's that?
Ah. There's someone on the recon. There's someone here.
Station mark. Move up.
जान दे इसको, रुक जा.
Come. This is here is player.
Losing ground.
Wait.
Keep it. Don't move. I hear someone.
I'll go up.
Okay, wait. No, I go up.
It's clear.
We're good. They jumped off, yeah. Ashik, you have C4 on the heli, right?
Yeah.
Fuck, man, I fell off. Shit. Someone revived someone from the shop or something?
Man, what? Why this is getting out?
Round one.
You also jumped?
Yeah.
Fell off?
इधर बंदा है.
अबे we fell off, यार.
Coming. I'm up. Where?
I'll tell you when I get
They're
hit.
down.
Hey, there are.
UAV overhead.
Jasim, why?
Chill, bro. Chill, bro.
Chill, huh?
I have self-revived, bro. Chill. I got my kill. I wanted to secure that kill.
You want to shoot me, right? Okay, Tanvir,
Okay, then.
I'll come to you.
come, stay together.
You're welcome. Now we know where the bounty is. This team is
Okay, there's
taken
someone
care
on
of. Why they're
19.
not
He's
showing the
under our
bounty?
building. Ashik is coming. He's under our building. He's coming. Watch the escalators. Mother man. Could be another.
Come, next.
Okay, there's someone on 21.
Next. Come behind here, man. Tanvir, stand it behind.
Here.
Contact.
He's running away.
Target spotted.
Hey, they're very low, guys. They're very low. We should push, I think.
No,
बहुत
he
low
will
है.
fall off the bed. He's running away, man. He's running away. अबे यार ये क्या है यार, ये पिलर यार हॉस्पिटल के.
Oh, he's trying to shoot me.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
I'll
They're coming
take.
from the gulag. He'll come on top. Be very careful.
He's dead, man. I say good luck to him. I'll put a paint on him. Lovely paint.
You killed him?
Yeah, man. And I put a
Wait,
love.
You want me to
Don't
secure
kill
the
him.
heli?
I
There is
spread.
someone landing.
I spread a love on him, man.
Wait, someone is landing from Gulag. Up.
Enemy contact.
Should I shoot him?
I broke his armor. Hey, do the sniper. Do the snipey. Don't waste a bullet. Don't waste a bullet.
I don't have sniper, man. I don't have sniper.
Okay, where is our sniper guy?
Enemy contact.
Man, this one guy here. He's sniping. Fuck.
Kidhar? Hey, we take the heli and go, guys.
Yeah, we need to go. We need to go.
Should I bring the? Oh my God, I fell down.
Come here.
Can someone come take the heli and pick me, guys?
Yeah.
आजा
Tanvir.
Ashik come.
Tanvir.
मैं नीचे
Okay.
हूँ.
I'm here. Ashik
I'm
pick.
down.
Okay.
We have the stuff in the heli?
No,
I don't
no.
think so.
No, we
Go.
don't have.
we don't have.
Go from the go wherever you want to. Okay, the guys here, na, be very careful.
They're doing this. They're sniping. They're sniping.
Just for safety, so they don't snipe us.
Ash, go on top of this house.
When I say jump,
Anyone need extractive? Hey, don't get rid of the heli. Let the heli be with the C4.
The blue one.
Okay. There is a jump.
Run a time. Scrub the contract.
Just a strike incoming.
Okay, I'm safe, guys. Are we in the same house?
Fuck, how did I miss it?
I have to come up. I'm down.
On the inside, obviously. What
Team
direction
wipe,
house
team
to
wipe,
come
guys, team wipe.
There is no way, man.
in? The heli guys is still there.
Moving up there.
Shit.
Down, one more down. Oh, someone's sniping. Get down.
Okay, anyone else
Okay,
some
okay.
Get down,
place?
get down.
Tanvir, get down.
Of course, man. Come.
Thanks, man.
Come, man.
Gas inbound.
Your bro have money. Come, I'll buy you shit.
यार सेफ नहीं है यार.
नीचे से आओ, मार देंगे यार. मेरे पीछे खड़ा रहना.
To eliminate the bounty target.
Let's go to the shop. Let me get you something. Go buy plates.
Enemy
Hello.
soldier incoming.
Okay, there is another guy is coming.
Got a vendor here if you need supplies.
Wait here.
Guys, I'll buy UAV. और there's a truck coming.
One more down. यार डाउन करते किल ले नहीं पाते हैं. एयर स्ट्राइक है मेरे को. There's a truck coming.
I killed one guy here near the shop.
Friendly UAV over.
Hey, there are people.
Hey guys,
Enemy UAV.
I think there are people here.
I'm
Somewhere
buying
here.
plates.
Got movement.
I bought more plates. There are plates near the shop if you want kid.
Hey, there are
Bro, we
enemy.
need to get to the zone, man. I don't know how can we.
Come to the small house. ये इधर पे आ, छोटा पे ये.
Moving up there.
Yeah, I'm moving with Jasim. Ashik, you also need to come.
Come. Wait.
Come to this small. Come here. इधर आ. मैं जिधर हूँ इधर आ. बुक कर. नीचे वाली जगह पे इधर आ.
Someone coming from behind.
Guys, I'm safe.
आगे मैं तेरे तरफ ही आ रहा हूँ.
ये छोटे वाले रूम पे आओ. इस पे से बंदे मारेंगे.
यार एक बंदूका आया, मरेंगे यार. अच्छा ये घर के नीचे ना.
हाँ.
ऊपर है तू, ऊपर है.
नीचे रहो. नीचे पे एकदम नीचे. एक बंदा वॉशरूम पे टट्टी पे छुपो. एक बंदा पीछे देखो, एक बंदा आगे देखो. मैं आगे देखूंगा.
मल्टी टारगेट पोच होएगा अभी. Guys, Ashik, do you have this C4? Do you have
Yeah,
C4?
I have.
Okay, wait. Okay. Let me lie down.
किसने
Okay,
शीशा तोड़ा? कौन हीरो?
ले. Ashik, come. I'm inside. I'm inside. Jason, मत shoot कर.
Take, go.
Team wipe.
Go fast.
Going. Okay, there's a whole squad
Guys,
here.
get into the zone, guys. Get inside the zone.
The
Hey,
same-
on your left.
Okay, Ashik, do it, bro.
Oh, down. Where?
He's on top.
There are people on us. There are people above us.
Okay, his friends are reviving him. His friends revived him. Shit, man, fuck this, man. My cluster strike fell on the shop.
Downed.
Hey, one more guy.
Hey, Jasim, you have any RPG rounds?
I have two. Come.
Give.
Guys, come inside, man. Come inside.
Give. Drop it.
Guys, cover me.
What are you doing, man? Come.
The fuck, man, this team, you got the team wipe, right?
I got the
RPG
team.
ammo, यार ammo मेरे पास है. Okay, I got 6 ammo.
Yeah, I can name.
Okay, drop me two.
There are people from back.
I downed it.
Rest.
Remain standing. Sort them out.
I downed another. Ashik, revive him.
I got you.
It's not team wipe. Take the gas mask, guys. Gas mask लो उससे.
I have. I took it.
Jason, जा gas mask ले बूढ़े.
Hey, gas mask है.
There's only 7 people, man. We can fucking win this. Come on, move to the zone. No, from the right. Jason, गलत जा रहा है यार.
भाई इधर कवर है, राइट साइड पे कवर नहीं है. समझ. There are people behind this wall.
Ignore.
इधर ये भी है.
We're in the zone. Ignore कर. Someone shooting me from up. Ashik behind you. He's behind this wall.
इधर पीछे से आ रहा है यार, पीछे से.
Dad, don't die, please.
There's one guy on the top.
Fuck, man. Fuck, man.
Team wipe.
Come on, Ashik, you can...
That's the fire still standing.
Fuck this, man. Fuck this.
The enemy took that.
Score क्या है?
Man, the last
We
game.
we are damaged.
We should have moved. Gas mask, please move over here.
Guys, I'll pray and come. 10 minutes.
मैं 1 घंटे के बाद आता हूँ यार.
अच्छा 1 hour, but it was a good game, right?
Yeah, man.
Amazing, man.
भाई हम सबने बंदे मारे यार.
Fuck, man. Like, guys, when we have the gas mask, we should move at the last of the zone. By looking,
ठीक है, मसला नहीं, गेम है इसमें.
we could have won it, man. Fuck.
चल.
Close, very close.
Okay.
Second is the worst feeling ever. It's not showing how many kills we got, man. Why? Chalo, okay.